do a series of 3 one-year missions where we are selecting crew that are astronaut-like, and they will be living here in the Mars Dune Alpha, and they will be in isolation and confinement for that year, and they will be conducting activities similar to what we would expect them to conduct on the Mars surface. There are 4 bedrooms here, they're all the same, and so this is one example of one of the bedrooms in the Chipia habitat. In this area, they will have the opportunity to grow crops at certain intervals in the mission, and they would grow things like pick and eat salad crops, so leafy greens, tomatoes, that kind of thing. So this would be where they'd have their meals, and also they could have their team meetings and briefings, and this is their relaxation area.
The thing about Chipia is that time delay. So we're mimicking the time delay from our minute round trip delay. The crew really has to be conscious, and that's a key point of this.
So the habitat was 3D printed. That is one of the technologies that NASA is looking at as a potential to build habitats on other planetary or lunar surfaces. So now we're moving into the workspace. Okay. On the other side. They just never see or interact with that person.
Will the crew members have regular meetings with psychologists?
This is a general work area, so they'd be doing a lot of activities in here, general science activities in here.
If you want to see the medical bay, okay, I'm just gonna swing this. I want to be mindful of the time.
Out here they can put on their suits and open the door to the outside, so then this area is no longer pressurized. When they come back in, they'll have to repressurize before they take off their suits and go back in. So watch your step again, please. And if you want to,
When you're thinking about going to something like Mars, you might want to go look at something 6 hours away, or you might, there's a huge discovery element there. And so we really can't have them just walking around in circles for 6 hours. And so this enables us to have them do the physical activity. So this is a greenhouse on the Mars surface. This is a fuel cell. This is a weather station. This is a solar panel. And these are just different elements that we have on the Mars surface that will come into play as the crew does their timeline and does different maintenance and activities that we expect for Mars. Nice feature to be able to come out of the analog, but they're still in isolation, right? They're still not